It's a little alley called Rua Sul. We're gonna walk down it. A tiny one. This is on 5 de Octubre Street. And this is kind of what this one looks like. There's kind of some interesting stuff everywhere. So I think what we're gonna do is focus on Rua Sul. And then we're gonna just kind of check and see what the street looks like. There's Rua Sul. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So there's a Rua Sul. It's kind of our main street that way. So let's just kind of check it out. I think it's kind of going to be a small one. Huh. Got like paint in there. It's like all kinds of cool stuff. Let me just see what's all in here. That looks like it's empty. That's empty too. Actually, this area down here has like two problems. One, it's kind of an older neighborhood. And it's a little bit far away from the tourist areas. And then number two, it gets a lot of flooding in the typhoons. So this whole area will be flooded quite a bit when typhoons come in the fall. So that's actually one of the hardest parts about this particular area. Okay, so now we're on Segundo de Patio de Jardim. So it's kind of an interesting little area. Traversa Segundo de Patio. So we'll just walk down a little bit. And I don't recall, no, I have been here before. I don't know if I filmed in here before. There's a park down there as well, Patio de Jardim. So we're Rua Sul, Patio do Jardim. I think what we're gonna do is we'll just kind of combine a few of these. And then we're also gonna do that little one that we just went by as well. They're kind of small. Yeah, there's a nice park coming straight ahead. Yeah, this park comes to the other side of, oh, they got like duck. Let me see. Yeah, this is kind of a cool street. It's near this Camões Park. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to walk into this a little bit. You can see all kinds of different streets in here. And we got this little Travessa Terceira de Patio do Jardim. So I think we had some different ones. That goes up to Camões. It's a pretty cool spot up in there. There's a temple to the right. So we're actually kind of doing a little combination of different stuff. That's another one of my favorite buildings, this yellow one right here. I just think it's kind of a cool building. And we got Rua Norte. So we got Rua Norte and Rua Sul. And we got this kind of cool stuff, and there's little cool stuff up that way too. I don't want to get too sidetracked, but I'll just kind of go towards this real quick. But basically you kind of have this little alley of cool stuff everywhere. Okay. So I'm going to go down that one and try to connect to all of our stuff again. So we got Rua Sul, Rua Norte, and I guess I'll have to combine them because they're all a little bit small. And then we got Patio Novo here. Maybe another focus. There's a ton of cool stuff everywhere. So now we're back at Travessa, Segunda do Patio do Jardim. So that basically was Rua Norte and Rua Sul. And then this one kind of somewhat connects them. So, and as you can guess, the one behind me is to the north, and the one over here is to the south. So Rua Norte, Rua Sul. And there's Rua Sul, and then this is our other street. All right. So, pretty cool. And I guess for that one, we'll end the street right at that spot. So it's kind of an interesting little area. So we had Norte, Rua Norte, Rua Sul, Travessa, Segunda, do Patio do Jardim as well, and Corcenta. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.